Jai Janendra, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the 84th question of the problem solving series and the 9th question of the topic linked list. The difficulty level for this question is medium and this question has been asked in Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Adobe, Apple, Oracle, PayPal and many other companies. Delete node in a linked list. So we are given the node in the linked list and we need to delete this node in the linked list. Okay. So the type is void type, we don't need to return the linked list, we just need to return the delete the node. Okay, so if this is the linked list that is given, so here there is a node 5. So we are given this node here. So we need to delete this node. We don't want 5 to be there. How we will delete this node? If we don't know its previous, then how can we delete this node? We don't have this head here. Okay. If there was a head and if there was a node that was given, we would have traveled before here. If this value comes to be 5, then here when we are reaching its next is 5, then we could have point its next to be once next to be once next ka next. So this link would have been broken and we would have got this 4219, right? 4219. This is what we want. Currently it is 42159, right? We need to remove this 5, right? Now how do we remove this 5? We don't have the head, we just have the node. In this one also, we want to remove 1. So it's given 4, 2, 1, 5 and 9. So our answer would be 4, 2, 5, 9. If the head somewhere, if it is there, if they print, this one node has to be removed. And we are just given this one node here. This node is this pointer here and its value, right? This one we have, list node. This list node we have. So what do you think? What can we do? This one shouldn't be there, right? So actually we can't remove this location. Okay, this 2, how can this 2 point to 5? We don't know. If we have a node, we can remove here. Okay, if this was given like this, 42159, we are given 5, we can remove this 9 by pointing this 5's next. Instead of 9, we will put 5 next is equal to 5 next ka next. So this connection will remove and this would go here. We can do that, right? But we can't remove this connection, right? So if we can actually, if it is given like this, 4, 2, if we are talking about the example 1 here, 4, 2, 1, 5 and 9, right? If we can, we are here at node 5. If we can delete this 9 here, we can't delete this 5, we can delete this 9 here. So if we can delete this 9, so why not, let's interchange its value here. Let's make this as 9 and then delete this node. So we will get 4219, isn't it? Right? So we can do that. So this is the trick you need to apply. We will get this value over here and then delete this its next node, because we can only delete its next node. We can't delete the node because we don't have the previous node, right? So this is the only technique we can use here. So what we will do, we will have int value equal to nodes next val, right? This is the val, nodes next val. So now this value is nodes next val. We have this 9 value here, and then nodes val, we will make this val as equal to value. Now we have replaced this 5 as 9, okay? And now we will remove this 9. So how do we remove this pointer? How will we remove this pointer? Nodes next equal to nodes next ka next. Simple as that. Now once in any function this is called, this node is given, this node would be removed and then it will have this head and all. So if in the above function which is calling it, if they want to print it, they will be able to print it. For example, if we discuss this example, so here 1, so in this one we have this nodes next value. So the value is equal to 5. Okay, and then this nodes value, we are making it equal to value. So we are making this 5, 4 to 5, 5, 9. And then this nodes next, this 5 ka next, we are making 5 ka next ka next. So this is not pointing to this one, this is pointing to this one. So this gets removed and we get 4 to 5, 9. Right? I hope you have understood the question. The link to the question is given in the description. Please try it yourself and then come to my code walkthrough section. The code walkthrough of the 84th question in the lead code platform. You can see the companies that have asked these questions are these many companies: Flipkart, PayPal, Capgemini, Apple, Adobe. Okay, so let's look at the solution. The solution is as simple as that. What we have discussed, we will directly submit this. Okay, so the time complexity is order of 1 and the space complexity is also order of 1. Okay, we just deleted the node. See you also in the next video where I'll be explaining the 85th explaining and discussing the 85th question of the problem solving series and the 10th question of the topic linked list. Jai Jitendra.